Welcome to Inside the Process channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Our process begins with recycled paper arriving in compressed bales from collection centers nationwide. Workers carefully remove metal bands and wrapping, allowing the compressed recycled paper to expand for processing. Initial manual sorting removes plastics, metals, and non-paper contaminants before pulping begins. The pulper combines recycled paper with water and chemicals, breaking it down into pulp at controlled temperatures. Mechanical agitation and chemical treatment break down fibers, creating a uniform pulp mixture ready for cleaning.
Screening equipment removes tiny contaminants, ensuring only clean fiber pulp continues through the production line.
Centrifugal cleaners use spinning force to remove final heavy contaminants, producing purified pulp ready for de-inking. The de-inking process uses flotation. Air bubbles carry ink particles to the surface for removal.
Continuous foam removal gradually lightens the pulp, preparing it for the bleaching stage that creates soft white tissue.
Bleaching agents brighten the pulp to the pure white color consumers expect in quality tissue products. Controlled bleaching conditions ensure consistent whiteness while maintaining fiber strength, essential for soft, durable toilet paper. Dewatering screens remove excess moisture, concentrating the pulp into a thick fiber mat ready for paper making. The Fourdrinier wire forms the pulp into a continuous sheet, with gravity and vacuum removing more water.
Vacuum dewatering further removes moisture, bonding fibers together to create the foundation of tissue paper.
Press rollers mechanically remove water, increasing paper density and preparing the sheet for the critical drying phase.
The Yankee dryer is the heart of tissue production, using steam heat to dry paper against a polished cylinder.
As paper dries, a blade scrapes it from the cylinder, creating microfolds that give tissue its softness. Creping is what transforms flat paper into soft, flexible tissue by creating microscopic folds throughout the sheet. The continuous tissue sheet exits the dryer, ready for winding into massive parent rolls.
Parent rolls accumulate hundreds of thousands of feet of tissue paper, which will later be cut into consumer-sized toilet rolls.
Finished parent rolls are carefully removed and transported to the converting area for cutting and rolling.
Parent rolls journey to the converting section, where they'll be transformed into the toilet paper rolls we recognize.
The converting line unwinds parent rolls and precisely cuts, winds, and packages toilet paper for consumer use. Perforating rollers create the tear lines that allow consumers to easily separate individual sheets from the roll. Embossing adds decorative patterns and increases softness by creating additional air pockets in the tissue.
Multiple tissue layers combine through lamination, creating stronger, softer, more absorbent toilet paper preferred by consumers.
The continuous tissue sheet now approaches cutting equipment that will create individual toilet paper logs.
Cardboard cores provide structure as tissue wraps around them, forming the cylindrical logs that will become finished rolls. Precision saws cut the wrapped logs into individual toilet paper rolls at exact diameters for consistent product size. Individual toilet paper rolls transfer to packaging lines where they'll receive protective wrapping and consumer labeling.
Quality inspectors examine random samples, ensuring each roll meets standards for softness, strength, and appearance before packaging. Laboratory testing measures toilet paper strength, absorbency, and softness, confirming each production batch meets strict quality specifications.
Heat sealing creates tamper-evident packaging, ensuring toilet paper remains clean and protected from factory to consumer bathroom. Rolls combine into multi-pack configurations, creating the package sizes consumers purchase at retail stores nationwide.
Shrink wrap encloses multi-packs, holding rolls together while allowing consumers to see the product quality through clear packaging. Heat shrinking creates tight, professional packaging that protects multiple rolls while maintaining visibility and preventing damage during shipping.
Multi-packs load into shipping cases, with quantities calculated for efficient transportation and retail store stocking requirements. Case sealing machines close and secure boxes, creating protective shipping containers ready for labeling and distribution. Date coding and batch tracking ensure complete traceability, allowing precise tracking of every product from factory to consumer.
Automatic labeling applies barcodes and product information, enabling efficient inventory management throughout the distribution chain.
Barcode scanning verifies label accuracy and registers each case in the inventory system before warehouse storage. Automated checkweighers ensure each case contains the correct quantity, protecting brand reputation and consumer satisfaction.
Cases organize into specific stacking patterns designed for maximum stability during transportation and warehouse storage.
Systematic case stacking creates stable pallets that withstand handling stress during shipping, optimizing transportation efficiency.
Stretch wrapping binds cases into a single stable unit, preventing shifting during transportation and protecting from dust and moisture.
Temperature-controlled warehouse facilities organize finished goods by product type and distribution priority, ensuring efficient order fulfillment.
Loading dock coordination ensures correct products reach proper destinations, with careful verification preventing shipping errors. Strategic pallet placement maximizes trailer capacity while maintaining load balance and stability for safe transportation.
Load securing equipment prevents shifting during transportation, protecting products and ensuring toilet paper arrives at destinations in perfect condition.
Final loading verification confirms accurate shipments, with digital documentation transmitted to receiving facilities before truck departure. Comprehensive vehicle inspections ensure safe transportation, with drivers receiving complete documentation for delivery coordination. Trucks depart continuously, distributing toilet paper to retail stores, wholesale clubs, and distribution centers serving communities nationwide. Centralized monitoring systems track every production aspect, enabling immediate response to quality issues or equipment adjustments.
Preventive maintenance programs minimize equipment downtime, ensuring continuous production of high-quality toilet paper.
Advanced water recycling systems minimize environmental impact, treating and reusing water throughout the paper-making process.
Comprehensive waste management recycles production byproducts, returning rejected materials to recycled paper suppliers.
Continuous laboratory testing monitors raw materials and finished products, ensuring consistent quality standards throughout every production shift.
Efficient steam systems provide the thermal energy required for tissue drying, with advanced controls optimizing fuel consumption and emissions.
Energy monitoring systems track consumption patterns, supporting sustainability initiatives and reducing the environmental footprint of toilet paper production. Advanced air quality systems protect product purity and worker health, maintaining clean manufacturing environments throughout the facility. Comprehensive safety systems and regular training protect workers, ensuring toilet paper production maintains the highest workplace safety standards.
Ongoing training programs ensure workers master equipment operation and safety procedures, maintaining production quality and workplace excellence.
Structured shift transitions maintain production continuity, with detailed communication ensuring every team understands current operations and priorities.
Flexible production equipment accommodates various toilet paper grades, from value products to premium ultra-soft varieties, meeting diverse consumer preferences. Package design balances brand recognition with consumer information, ensuring products stand out on retail shelves while communicating quality. Digital systems eliminate unnecessary paper use in production management, demonstrating commitment to environmental responsibility in toilet paper manufacturing. Core suppliers deliver precisely manufactured cardboard tubes, essential components that provide structure for finished toilet paper rolls. Careful chemical management ensures consistent product quality while maintaining strict safety protocols for hazardous material handling. Compressed air systems power packaging equipment, conveyors, and control systems, requiring regular maintenance for reliable continuous operation.
Comprehensive quality records enable traceability and continuous improvement, ensuring every toilet paper batch meets specifications.
Environmental monitoring demonstrates commitment to responsible manufacturing, tracking metrics that exceed regulatory requirements for community and environmental protection.
Continuous innovation improves toilet paper softness, strength, and sustainability, maintaining competitive advantage through advanced product development.
Predictive analytics reduce unexpected downtime, scheduling maintenance during planned breaks rather than responding to emergency equipment failures.
Customer service integration with production operations ensures timely response to retail partner needs, maintaining strong distribution relationships.
Climate-controlled storage maintains product integrity, preventing moisture absorption that could affect toilet paper quality before distribution. Logistics coordination maximizes transportation efficiency, scheduling deliveries that minimize freight costs while meeting retailer inventory requirements. Employee facilities support worker satisfaction and productivity, recognizing that quality toilet paper production requires committed, well-supported teams. Comprehensive security protects intellectual property, product integrity, and worker safety throughout the manufacturing facility. Worker participation in continuous improvement drives operational excellence, leveraging frontline experience to enhance every aspect of production.
Strategic parts inventory minimizes equipment downtime, maintaining production continuity through immediate access to replacement components.
Rigorous supplier quality programs ensure incoming materials meet specifications, protecting finished product quality from the earliest production stages.
Detailed utility tracking supports cost management and sustainability goals, identifying opportunities to reduce.
Around-the-clock operations meet constant consumer demand for toilet paper, with multiple shifts maintaining consistent production quality.
Transparent communication fosters a workplace culture focused on safety, quality, and operational excellence in toilet paper manufacturing.
Final quality audits assure that every toilet paper package leaving the factory meets strict standards for consumer satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.